The Sietzy Group produces specialized steel and metal solutions for advanced industrial processes. Production at Sietzy is batch precise, meaning that parameters such as the composition of the products must always be accurately documented and traceable. In addition to high product quality and variety, fast and punctual deliveries are essential for sustained customer satisfaction. The Sietzy Group uses the fully rugged K120 tablets, which is being integrated perfectly into all areas of the workflow.
Without the Getac tablets, our speed and precision in production and warehouse would be difficult to achieve. With these fully rugged devices, we are able to take our already highly digitized processes to an even higher level.
Thanks to their high robustness, the tablets effortlessly master rough conditions such as vibrations and even rain during on-site loading and shipping.
We fully rely on the Getac K120 tablet. Due to their high reliability and their warranty promise, we only have one backup device. That's all we need.
For uninterrupted work, each tablet has a second battery that can be swapped on the fly without turning off or shutting down the K120. The display has the perfect size and is easily readable even in difficult lighting conditions. With the high-quality camera of the Getac K120, data can be easily captured. All production parameters of the machines are captured and directly transferred to the warehouse management system. The Getac tablets also play a central role in communication. The high connectivity and performance of the K120 ensure constant productivity and efficiency in all areas and applications. Besides the technical advantages, the reliability is particularly impressive. In addition to excellent service from Getac and Logic Instrument, the digitization partner of the Sietzy Group, the outstanding 3-year bumper-to-bumper warranty from Getac, which also covers accidental damage, provides additional planning security.
As a group with different product areas and requirements, we are united by our high-quality standards and the delivery promise. If in-stock goods are ordered until 11 a.m., the shipment will be dispatched on the same day. Our customers rely on us, just as we rely on the Getac tablets.